Hey guys, it's me Lorenzo and welcome back to another video. Today's video, I am doing another product review. It's actually another, it's not a review, it's an unboxing. I'll do a review soon, but I'm doing another microphone unboxing. I got a new microphone in the mail, which is super cool. For the longest time, not for the longest time, but since I don't know when I posted that video, but since whenever this date was, I made this video. Up somewhere. It's somewhere on the screen, because I don't know the clearance. I can't see myself. It'll be somewhere on screen. I made that video, and I basically unboxed the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. It'll be up in the card up there if you haven't seen that video yet. And in that video, I basically unboxed the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone, and I gave a little review on it. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is that I wanted a better sounding mic for studio stuff, gaming stuff, or if I'm doing voiceover stuff, and so I got this microphone right here. So this is an unboxing of this microphone, the Tascam TM-80 condenser microphone. And with this microphone, I bought this on Amazon for 60 bucks, I'm pretty sure. And I checked the requirements. You always want to check the requirements with microphones and basically any gear that you're getting, because you want to know what you need with it. It requires a 9 volts to 48 volts of phantom power. If you don't know what phantom power is, it's basically a power supply for your microphone. If your microphone requests a certain amount of voltage of phantom power, that means that basically your microphone needs a little bit more power for it to even work, if you know what I mean. So I bought a phantom power supply. I bought the Neewer 48 volt phantom power supply right here. And I haven't opened anything yet. I mean, this is kind of loosely open, but I've sprayed everything down. It's completely safe. You should do that with your packages too. As soon as you get a package, spray it down and put alcohol in it or something. Wipe it down with something disinfectant, because you don't want to get coronavirus, because it's still a thing, even though it is the new year. Anyway, I'm going to open the microphone first, and I'm going to switch the camera so you can actually see what I'm doing. Okay. Wow, camera switch. Wow, you're over here now. Okay, so I'm going to open the microphone first. So on the front of the box, sorry, a little too zoomed in, but on the front of the box it says Tascam TM-80 condenser microphone, and then it says it in that language. I guess it's Spanish or something. On the back it says like basically the same thing. And then on this side, included shock mount, mini desk stand, XLR to XLR mic cable, and then some other blah 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 stuff. And then I'll just open the microphone now, I guess, because I guess that's the whole point of the video. So, assuming that it opens this way. Wow, you can open it here. Okay. So, first we have the shock mount. The shock mount, it's cool. So this is the shock mount. This is the XLR to XLR cable. Boom. Wow. We'll save that for the phantom power. Here is the tripod here. This is a little nicer feeling than my other tripod. Wow. So this is what the tripod looks like. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And then the thing that steals the show, the microphone itself. Wow. It's just gonna slip this guy out. Wow. This guy is so cool. The build quality on this thing, pretty cool. It is metal. You can hear my ring bang against it. It is an all metal case. There's no switches, no nothing on the case. It shows the polar pattern, which polar pattern is basically where the microphone is going to pick up your voice or sound or whatever. So this one is in the shape of kind of like a heart, or an upside down heart, I guess, which means it's a cardioid polar pattern, which means that basically it only picks up what's in front of the microphone. On the bottom you have the XLR port, there. And then here is the grill. So I'm trying to get this focus right. But this is the grill. The grill, it does have a little bit of give to it. I have the grill of a NW700 or 7000. I don't remember what I got. But this is it. This one is a little bit harder and less bendable than this one. This one's a little more fragile. So don't bend this or don't press it too hard. And this is a very lovely, nice looking mic. It looks beautiful. And I'm really sad that I will probably end up screaming into this. So here is the Phantom Power Supply. Here's where it opens, trying to make sure that it's still in focus and everything. Hello, I apologize. I just lost a bunch of footage because the memory on my camera just ran out. So you didn't see any of me unboxing the Phantom Power. It actually stopped recording exactly when I opened the box. So this is what the Phantom Power came with. It basically came with, obviously, the Phantom Power Supply. Let me just zoom in for you here. It came with an AC power cord, so you can plug the power supply into the wall. And then it also came with an XLR to XLR cable. I didn't actually know that it was going to come with this, so great, I have two of these now. And then a little closer look at the Phantom Power itself. On the front here, you can see it says input, and then it says output. So this is where you would put your microphone input. This is where you would put the cable to put it into your computer or your recording audio interface or whatever. And then this is where you plug in the AC power cord thing here. On the side, big old nothing. And on the back, there's an on and off button, and then there's an LED to tell you if there's power going to the Phantom Power Supply. I'm going to put it together and you'll see what it looks like. So boom, this is what it looks like when everything's completely set up and done. First of all, I'm going to go over the microphone and what I did to it. I put it on the tripod, and then I put it into the shock mount, put the shock mount onto the tripod here, and then I'm using the XLR cable that came with the mic. And then the XLR cable is being run into here. As you can see right here, it's being run into the Phantom Power Supply, into the input, and then what's running out of the output is an XLR cable to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. You basically put this into a sound card, into the mic, which is, if you don't know, the pink. This is mic, this is headphones. You basically put it into the microphone, and then you would plug this into your computer. If you want to buy this microphone for yourself, it is $60. The Phantom Power Supply was $25 or $26. So in combined, there's like about $85, at least on Amazon. I will have links to both of these in the description below. So check those links out. And yeah. Okay, so this is the product, baby. This is it. So on the front, if you can read that, professional recording microphone, and that's basically all it says on the front. On the back, shows some diagrams right there. Top, Neewer professional recording stand, and then the stuff there. Same thing here. So let's open it up, shall we? So the boom arm here is a scissor arm, so it extends like that. I'm not recording in my room. I'm recording downstairs. So I'm just gonna be setting it up here just to show you, but it's obviously gonna be downstairs. Okay, so I found the issue is that these two don't work with my my shock mount. They don't. This one doesn't work because it just gets stuck in there, which I took literally like 10 minutes to get out. And this one, I need like a washer because when it puts on, it goes like this. It like wobbles. So, I took off of this. It had this on the bottom right here. Can't really see it. But this is it, this little thing right here, and this basically fixed the entire issue. Where I just put it on here, and so it's basically another one of these, but it has like a little bit of washer, like a little bit of thing there. It works now. Boom! I got it set up finally. After so long, I finally got it to be working. Or not working, but you know. It's set up, so this is what it looks like. Fully unboxed, fully set up, hopefully working now. So yeah, I don't know if this is actually even recoverable at all. But we'll see if I can edit it down and it'll be decent. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. Subscribe for more content like this. So, yeah. Bye-bye, ta-ta, and adios.